Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving into something truly special, the ultimate expression of luxury and performance. The Mercedes AMG S63. The S-Class has always been the benchmark for luxury sedans, but this is on a whole other level. It's a masterpiece that redefines what's possible in a car. So, let's jump in and take a closer look. Let's start with the design. The S63 AMG takes the sophistication of the S-Class and blends it with AMG's motorsport DNA. Up front, you've got the signature Panamericana grille, a clear announcement of AMG pedigree. It's flanked by sleek digital light headlamps that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The bold lines and aerodynamic sculpting strike that perfect balance between elegance and aggression. Massive 21-inch alloy wheels and the quad exhaust tips at the rear complete the look. This car doesn't just move you, it commands attention. Whether you're pulling up at a red carpet event or tearing down the Autobahn, all eyes are on you. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because that's where the magic happens. The S63 AMG is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8, paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver a jaw-dropping 791 horsepower and 1,055 newton-meters of torque. Yeah, you heard that right, to a plug-in hybrid with over 700 horsepower, 0 to 60, just 3.2 seconds. Top speed. It's limited to 155 miles per hour, but if you opt for the AMG driver's package, you can push that to 186 miles per hour. And all this power is sent to the road through AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, ensuring grip and confidence in every condition. But here's the thing, it's not just about brute force. The S63 AMG is surprisingly refined. The adaptive suspension gives you a buttery smooth ride, while rear-wheel steering makes it incredibly agile, even in tight spaces. And when you step inside, it's like boarding a private jet. The cabin is draped in Nappa leather, with carbon fiber accents and ambient lighting that make it feel like a sanctuary. Then, there's the tech. The MBUX Hyperscreen dominates the dash, a single glass panel housing multiple displays. It's sleek, it's seamless, and it's pure sci-fi. Features like augmented reality navigation and biometric authentication make you feel like you're driving a car from the future. And comfort? Oh, it's unmatched. Every seat offers heating, ventilation, and even massage functions. Passengers in the back aren't left out either, they've got their own entertainment system, ensuring everyone's pampered on the go. Now, let's not forget it's a hybrid, so you also get up to 20 miles of electric-only range. Okay, it's not a Prius, but for a car with this much power, that's a step toward greener high-performance driving. Now, all this luxury and performance comes at a price. The S63 AMG starts at around $185,000, and with options, you're easily crossing the $200,000 mark. But if you demand the best, this car is worth every penny. The Mercedes AMG S63 isn't just a car, it's a statement, a masterpiece of engineering, a sanctuary of luxury, and a rocket on wheels. If you're looking for the pinnacle of automotive excellence, you've found it. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And let me know in the comments, so what would you pick? The S63 AMG or one of its rivals?